Hi students. In previous class, we have learnt apparent position of image in refraction process. In reflection, we observed in plane mirror, image distance is equal to object distance. In spherical mirrors, image distance may be equal to object distance, may be greater or lesser. In refraction, how image distance changes. So how image changes, now we discuss one problem. See figure and answer the following questions. Here they given one figure. Inside water fish is there at a depth of 36 centimeters, 36 meters from the free surface. In same way, one body is at a height of 36 meters above the water surface. Here they given refractive index of this medium is 1 and refractive index of this medium they given 4 by 3. What we have to calculate? First point, find apparent height of the bird. So, at what height bird will appear from the surface of the water level? Next, find apparent depth of the fish. So, at what depth it will appear from the surface when seen from the air? Third bit, at what distance will the bird appears to the fish? Distance. And next, what distance will the fish appear to the bird? So here you remember one simple formula. By using that you can solve any problem. Here what is the formula? Image distance. Image distance is equal to object distance into refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. If we remember this formula, by using this formula, easily we can solve the problems. Sir, what is N1? What is N2? So, already in previous class, I explained refractive index is denoted by letter H or mu. Refractive index is denoted by letter N or mu. So here N1 means in which medium light first travels. That medium refractive index. N2 is the refractive index of the second medium or refractive index of the medium into which light refracts. So that is N1 and N2. First, here find apparent height of the bird. So suppose here anyone is below the water surface and observe the just below the water surface and observe the bird. At what height it will appear? So here apparent height, because we are measuring above the water surface, that's why take it as a height. So height means this fish, actually this is the object. So that means light ray travels from object to the water. Here what happened? Light ray travels from object to the water. So then only anyone seen the boat inside the water. Okay, now anyone is in water sees the boat. So here image distance is equal to object distance from the free surface of water. It is at 36 meters height into N1 refractive index of the medium in which light ray travels first. Here light ray travels first in this medium. In this medium refractive index is equal to 1. That's why N1 is equal to 1. First travels in air. Next it is entering into water. Refractive index of water is 4 by 3. If we simplify, then we get 36 into 4 by 3. 3 12s are 36. 12 into 4, 48 meters. That means the bird will appear at a height of 41 meters. Its image is formed at a height of 48 meters. 48 meters above the water surface. Okay, so light ray travels from air to water. Anyone is inside the water, observes the bird, bird will appear at a height 48 meters. So this image distance is taken as a apparent height. So apparent height of bird is equal to height of bird 48 meters. So this was completed. Next, at what distance will the bird appear to the fish? We see this one. Sir, here its image is formed at 48 meters above the surface. Fish is 36 meters below. So the distance will the bird appear to fish? Bird appear to fish at a height or at a distance is equal to 48 plus 36. So that is equal to 48 plus 36, which is equal to 84 meters. Okay, clear? It is inside the water, it is in air, that's why appears 84 meters. Next, we will discuss this point. Find the apparent depth of the fish. To calculate the apparent depth also, we should use same formula. Image distance is equal to object distance into n2 by n1. So that means this fish is in water. So anyone is observed from the air. For that person, this fish light rays going from water to air. First light ray travels in water. After that it enter into air. So that's why image distance is equal to object distance 36 meters and image distance, n to n1. What is the n1? First light ray travels in water. So that's why n1 is equal to 4 by 3. After that it enter into air. So that is the n2 value. So 1. So that is equal to 36 into 3 by 4. 4 nines. 9 threes are 27 meters. So this bird appears less depth than the original depth. It appears at just 27 meters only. So apparent depth of fish is equal to 27 meters. So means its image is formed here 27 meters. So this distance 27 meters. For bird, at what distance it will appear? So fish appears to the bird is equal to bird distance from the water surface is 48 meters, 36 meters plus fish is equal to 27, which is equal to 63 meters. So this is the distance. Understood? Actually, object and observer both are in the same medium. So then there is no change in the distance between object and observer. For example, we are observing a refrigerator in home. So it appears at the same distance. But here, suppose in between you and refrigerator, you filled with water, this gap. Then what happen? That refrigerator will appear closer. In same way, here observes the object from another medium. Then its distance may increases, may decreases. So by using this formula, we can calculate that. Next, suppose if you want to calculate speeds So we know distance. This equation divide with time. Then we get image distance divided by time is equal to object distance by time t. So image distance by time is equal to, this is called speed of the image. So image speed is equal to object speed into n2 by n1. By using this formula, we can calculate the image speed also. Next, second problem. Consider the situation in figure. The bottom of the pot is a reflecting plane mirror. So for this pot, bottom is a plane mirror. S is a small fish. S is a fish. T is a human eye. You assume that is the human eye. Refractive index of water is mu they given. So here I is in air. This water refractive index they given mu. What we have to calculate? At what distances from itself will the fish see the images of the eye? Sir, actually here this fish sees the two images of the eye. One is a direct observation, and the second one, this eye image will formed inside the mirror. That is the second situation. So two times it can see. That's why at what distances, the given distances from itself will the fish see the images of the eye. Same. At what distances from itself will the eye see the images of the fish? One is a direct observation. Second one is a image formed in the plane mirror. So first we solve one by one. First observation, direct observation. Okay, no? First one, fish will observe eye from direct observation. Sir, in this case, first, what is the height of the eye from the surface of the water? In this problem, they given height of the eye from the surface of the water, they given h. So fish observes the eye. That means in this case, first case, light ray travels from air to water. So then image distance is equal to, we know formula, image distance is equal to object distance into n2 by n1. So that image distance is equal to object distance. It is at a height of h meters from the water surface into n2, this one, refractive index of the first air traveling into water entering. So n1 is equal to 1 and n2 is equal to the given mu. That's why which is equal to mu h. So that means image of the eye formed at a height of mu h from the water surface. From the water surface, it is at a height of mu h. Directly observed by the fish. From the fish, the distance of eye from the fish is equal to, fish is at a depth of h by 2 from the water surface and its image is at a height of mu h from the water surface. If you take h common, then we get 1 by 2 plus mu we can get. Next one అండి, observation of reflected image of the eye from the fish. So direct observation we got. Now again it observes the image of the eye in a mirror. So what is the image distance inside the mirror? Actually it is at a height mu h from the water surface. Again water height is h. So this object distance from the mirror, what is the image of the eye? Okay nandi. So from the mirror, eye image distance from mirror is equal to mu into h plus h, because here actually from the surface its image is formed here. So this image is act as a object for the mirror. This image act as a object. So from the water surface object is appears at a distance of mu h. So that's why this is mu h plus h. That's why image is formed inside the water. This eye image is formed here at a distance of h plus mu h. This is the mu h and this one is h. So from the fish the distance of reflected image from fish is equal to, this distance is h plus mu h. Again here h by 2 is there, so h by 2, h plus h by 2, that is equal to 3h by 2 plus mu h. If you take h common, then we get 3 by 2 plus mu we can get. This is the answer. Next one and second bit. At what distances from itself will the eye see the image of the fish? One is direct observation, second one is reflected image of the fish. First, direct observation of the fish from eye. So this fish is actually at a depth of h by 2 inside the water. To observe the fish, this light ray travels from water to the air. In this direction light ray traveling. So in this fish distance actually h by 2 inside the water. Suppose anyone is just above the water surface, for that person or for that eye this fish appears less depth. At what depth? First we calculate that. So after that we calculate from the eye. So just from the water surface image of fish is equal to, or image distance is equal to object distance into n2 by n1. So here object distance is equal to h by 2 from the surface of the water, and n2, here what is the n2, what is the n1 means n1 first light travels in water, so refractive index of water is mu. Next it is enter into air, refractive index of air is 1, so which is equal to h by 2 mu. This is the fish distance from the surface of the water, from the surface of water. But from the eye, fish distance from eye is equal to, eye is at a height of h meters from the water surface, plus this is at a depth of h by 2 mu. From this if you take h common, then we get 1 plus 1 by 2 mu we can get. Next, So its fish image is formed inside the mirror. Its image is formed here. At what distance from the mirror it forms? Here object distance is equal to image distance. From the mirror, fish is at a distance of h by 2. So its image is formed also h by 2 only. But now we to calculate distance between eye and image of the reflected image of the fish. So actually here the image of the fish from the water surface, air water interface is. So first we calculate that apparent depth of fish image from water air interface is equal to, so here from this water air interface it appears what is the total distance. This distance is equal to h plus this distance is h by 2, h plus h by 2 into n2 by n1. N2 is equal to 1, n1 is equal to mu. So h plus h by 2 that is equal to 3h by 2 mu. Okay now. So now we calculate from the eye distance of reflected image of eye from image of fish from eye is equal to, eye is at a height of h meters from the interface and it is at a depth of 3h by 2 mu. If you take h common, then we get 1 plus 3 by 2 mu. So this is the way to calculate the problem.